I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Roxy's Weekly Challenge hosted by Rachel of Roxy's Creations. And we're doing book page pockets that we're going to decorate. And I'll have Rachel's channel listed in my description box down below. Be sure and check it out, and be sure and check out the hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge to see what everyone else has made. I've been very impressed. And we're going to give ourselves 40 minutes. I'm going to mass make some pockets and then we'll decorate. And I've already helped myself out by cutting them down. You don't want it any wider than your journal page, so I've got a good size on these to where I don't have to worry about the size of the pocket. So let's get started. Time now. I hope y'all are doing great. I am going to start with, let's see how I want to do this. Which writing do I want up? There's no way to get that number up there, so let's turn it upside down. And you give yourself a little lift there and glue it down so that it will reinforce the pocket. My desk has a slant, and you just go up to however big you want your pocket, and then you just make your pocket. And there we go. Of course, you do want the glue to stick. It would help a lot. Put that camera up there. Alright, I'm going to just mass make a few of these. I hope everyone's doing great. I got to go to the craft store last Saturday, and I finally found some of those Tim Holtz little mini people. And I was excited about that. Spend time with my family, my two sons and my husband, and they're kind enough to put up with my craft stores. Unfortunately, they could care less about crafting. I have an office chair that the hydraulics keep going down, and by the time I get through, I have to keep raising up my chair because my knees are at my chest. It's very frustrating. I've got to get me a new chair. What have y'all been crafting? Have y'all been participating in Roxy's challenge? It's a lot of fun. I've got a few challenges going on. I've been doing Junk Journal January, and I've been doing Amy at Crafty Cat, doing the 50 stack challenge. We're almost done with that, but we've started with the 50 stack challenge too. The first one you used guest checks, and the second one we get to use whatever ephemera we want. She's going to draw a prompt, and it'll have opposites like hot, cold. Next one, I'm going to have to raise my chair. This gets really old. Okay. But I have really enjoyed it, and you really build up your stash of ephemera. Now I've got to get busy making journals. Alright, that seems to be a good start. I've got a few more pages if I need them. And now the fun will start with the decorating. And the idea is to put it kind of above. I think that one's going to be too big. Let me find a bigger page. So that it's above your pocket. And I've got different types of ephemera. So I'm going to ink a few of these. Get those little bits out. I love the Tim Holtz people. You either love them or you don't. But I do like them. I've got some from Mrs. Cog's Crafts. Put the lid on my glue so it doesn't dry out. And the idea is to just kind of make your background. And I do want to ink those. Kind of add it to the background of your pocket. I'm going to pull out some washi tape just to kind of ground my little girls. Love it. All right, let's see what we want to do with the next one. All right, my 40 minutes are up, and I love what I got. I've got this one. Got this one. This one. That one. That one. I think this one's my favorite. Oh no, this one may be my favorite. But I love how they turned out, and I hope you do as well. And I got 7 of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Rachel's channel at Roxy's Creation, and be sure and check out the hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge. And go pet your animal today. Until next time, have a great week. Bye, y'all.